Hey there, welcome to the Review Matrix, your no-fluff results-driven review channel. I break down what actually works, so you can skip the hype, avoid wasting money, and make smarter buying decisions. If you have ever tried to build something from a free online woodworking plan, you know the exact pain. You buy the wood, clear out your Saturday, and start making cuts. Then, around step 5, everything falls apart. The plan jumps from step A to step F. A measurement is missing. The joints simply do not line up. Now you are staring at a pile of ruined, expensive lumber. It is incredibly frustrating. But here is the truth. The problem isn't your woodworking skill. The problem is terrible, incomplete plans written by people who don't actually build things. That is exactly why TedsWoodworking has become one of the most popular resources online. It promises to give you a massive library of 16,000 foolproof plans to build anything you can imagine. But does this massive bundle actually deliver the goods? Let's dive in. At its core, TedsWoodworking is a massive digital database of tested woodworking projects. But it is not just a messy zip file dump of random internet sketches. It is a highly organized, fully searchable, step-by-step library. Think of it like a GPS for your workshop. You type in what you want to build, like a farmhouse dining table, a backyard chicken coop, or a simple bookshelf. The system gives you the exact start-to-finish blueprint. It shows you the exact wood to buy, the exact cuts to make, and exactly how every single piece fits together. It removes all the guesswork so you can focus on enjoying the build rather than scratching your head in confusion. Let's look at what you actually get when you unlock the members area. 16,000 done-for-you plans. You get access to almost every project imaginable, from tiny weekend crafts to massive outdoor decks and sheds. Exact material and cut lists. You get a precise shopping list before you start. You will buy exactly what you need. You will never overbuy wood or make 3 annoying trips to the hardware store again. Detailed schematics. You get high-quality, multi-angle drawings and exploded views of every joint. You see exactly how the pieces lock together. Free custom plan requests. If you somehow can't find a plan for an awkward space in your house, Ted's team will draft a custom plan for you at no extra charge. DWG/CAD Plan Viewer software. This bonus lets you open and edit the plans on your computer if you want to tweak dimensions to fit your exact room. 150 premium video tutorials. If you get stuck on a tricky joint or want to learn a new technique, you can watch a master woodworker do it on screen. So, what happens when you actually start using these premium plans? Here is the real-world impact. Save massive amounts of money. Lumber prices are high. These plans stop you from making bad cuts and throwing expensive wood into the scrap bin. Build projects faster. Because you have a clear step-by-step path, you can actually finish a project in a single weekend. No more half-built furniture sitting in the garage for 6 months. Zero workshop frustration. No more getting stuck. You just follow the directions and the pieces fit. Look like a master craftsman. Even if you are a total beginner, you will build sturdy, beautiful furniture that will make your friends and family ask, "You actually built that?" Start a profitable side hustle. Many members use these plans to build easy, in-demand items like Adirondack chairs or dog houses and sell them for huge profit margins online. Using TedsWoodworking is incredibly simple. You do not need to be a tech expert. You just log into the online dashboard. Use the search bar to find what you want to make, filtering by category or difficulty level. Once you pick a project, simply print out the material list and the blueprint. Take the printed list to your local lumber yard, buy exactly what is on the page, and bring it back to your shop. Whether you have a massive garage with expensive power tools or just a tiny corner with basic hand tools, there are thousands of plans that fit your exact setup. As a smart consumer, you should always look for a safety net. Ted's Woodworking comes with a rock-solid 60-day, 100% money-back guarantee. It is processed securely. If you log in, look at the plans, and decide they are not detailed enough for your liking, you just send a quick email to their support team. You get all your money back. No hassle, no annoying questions. You have 2 full months to test drive the plans completely risk-free. Right now, Ted is offering lifetime access to this entire library for a simple one-time fee. However, due to server costs, they are preparing to switch to a $39 per month subscription model if you want to lock in all 16,000 plans for life without ever paying a single monthly fee. Click the official link in the description below right now. Grab that discounted one-time price while it is still live and start building your dream project this weekend. Thanks for watching the Review Matrix. See you in the next one.